Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add cards onto your deck. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to add a card onto your deck, then just tap on Collections at the bottom section. This will then take you into your card collection screen. Now, from the top section, just choose whichever deck you wish to add cards on. And if this deck is not complete, then you can directly add your preferred card. If it is full, then first of all, you will need to remove at least one card in order to be able to add your desired card. Just click on whichever card you wish to remove and tap on the Remove from Deck option. You can then click on whichever card you wish to add in its place and then click on the Add to Deck option. By this method, you may add your preferred cards onto your deck. And once you are done, you can just go back and from the main menu, make sure to select this deck before pressing the play button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new card onto your deck within the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.